Jay, what's up? Thank you for the topping. It's beautiful weather right now. What is this? It's 75 degree. 75 fucking degree. Cram, thank you for the follow. Thank you for the heartbeat. Awesome. I got 78 heart me, guys. Danny, what's up? Salvador, thank you for the follow. Sleepy Louie, finger heart, let's go. I thought you're not Filipino. Louie, friendship necklace, let's go. Hey yo, thank you, appreciate it. Just, thank you for the follow. I'm Filipino. Mike, what's up? What's fireworks? Send me a fireworks. D, J, what's up? Culture, thank you. Oh. Let's gonna do this. Yo, let's go for the heart me flex. Dump, thank you for the follow. Christian, thank you for the follow. User, what's up? Bili ka online fireworks. What the fuck is online fireworks? Terence, thank you for the follow. BG1, thank you for the follow. Vince, thank you for the follow. Send me fireworks, guys. I haven't seen fireworks. Yo, another heart me. Let's go. Thank you for the heart me. Thank you for the follow. What the fuck is commenting fireworks? What's that? Greetings heart, thank you. Yo. Dang. So cloudy right now. What's going on, guys? What's up, Jace? Where are you from? Send me an algorithm. Where do you live? Milwaukee, Wisconsin. I'm friends with Maki. Oh, wow, nice. Maki is my TikTok friend. Damn. Arvin, you're taken. I must stop checking you out. My bad, bro. Move to Hawaii. What? You're far from home. I'm from Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Yun lang sabi, you have a muscular body. Sana pan kita sana content ng mga pam-alter dyan. Guys, stop your screen. I got 700 likes. I want 10 million likes. Summer vibes. Thank you for follow. Let's go, my goal. Rain, thank you for the follow. I think it's gonna raining. So cloudy. Where are you? What do you mean, like, I'm from USA. What about you? Where are you from? Barbie, thank you for the follow. Yo, thank you for tapping your screen. What's up? Hello, Alex. Good morning, Samsam. It's your boy Chris. Thank you for the follow. Who? How? Who? Thank you for the follow. Nudge. How was your day, Alex? I'm good, Alex. How are you? Just chilling here outside. Sedo. Thank you. Appreciate it. Dior, thank you for the follow. Give me Dior. I want Christian Dior. Shop Trandung. Thank you for the follow. Is that real? Guys, tap your screen. I got 1K likes. Thank you for the rose. Let's go. Di ba teacher ka? No, I'm not. Aristo. So, what? I like gray shorts. Me too. Teacher ka, ha ha ha. Not teacher. RJ, thank you for the follow. Raymond, what's up? I'm from Wisconsin, Lelek. Where are you from? Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Jessica, what's up? Miss Talk, thank you for the follow. Jason, thank you for the follow. Kill, what's up? Prince, thank you for the follow. Sa'yo lahat yan. Camila, what's up? Prince, what's up? How's it going, guys? Guys, heart me, guys. Send me and heart me. One star of God, what's up? Wala ka ba sa Philippines? Sean, what's up? Thank you for the follow. Johnny, thank you for sharing my live. Yo, Arch, thank you for the follow. I'm not in the Philippines, guys. I'm in USA. Is this true? What true? I'm true. I'm not AI. What? Prince, thank you. Appreciate it. McCoy, what's up? What's hot? Do you wanna see something hot? Bella, thank you for the follow. I'm not Thailander. I'm Philo, guys. Show it na. I don't know how to say Jarby. I don't know how to say your name. Sawarikak. I do have ex, but I don't. Jarby. Damn, why you put your name spelling like that? Jarvis, activate the missile right now. Go further. Ay, ng ulo. Yo, Shards Apart, thank you. What the fuck is name is that? Thank you for the shard apart. Rose, thank you. Tangina, piniso-biso nyo lang ako. Ang buraot. Bakit ang lain yan? Jana, what's up? What are you guys talking about? Prince, thank you for the follow. Prince Cat. Atras ka pa onte, Makoy. Puro utos, wala namang ambag. Puro kayo utos. You guys commanding me so much. Jarvis, thank you for the follow. Sa'yo yung iba, Jana. Bigay ko sa'yo. I'm give it to you. Yo, heart me. Let's go. Let's go. Thank you, heart me. Another heart me. Sleepyhead, what's up? Pwede mag-jumping jacks. 10k likes, I'm gonna backflip. I'm gonna show you my talent. Ay, wala pala akong ano. I don't wear underwear right now. I can't do backflip. Tama na ba sa akin? Oh, what? Mag-talent. Sleepyhead. Yeah, I can do backflip. Thank you. But I don't know how to say your name. Thank you for the shards of hope. Let's go. Ray, thank you for the follow.